We're going straight to the lottery. If you want to buy a lottery ticket, they are 5 million a piece, and you can buy up to 2. Remember, you can redeem them at the end of class. You can win 10, 20, or 50 million. Alright, homework check's going to be up here. Okay, homework answers. Go ahead and bring up 1 through 3. Okay, number 1 should be y equals 2x plus 25. Number 2 is y equals negative 1/4 x plus negative 1 or minus 1. And number 3 is y equals negative 5x plus negative 3. Okay, number 4 is y equals 1/2 x plus 1. Number 5 is y equals 7x plus 18. And number 6 is y equals negative 3x plus 2. 10 is y equals 1/3 x plus 6. Number 8 is y equals 6x plus 20. 9 is y equals negative 2x plus 6. And number 10 is y equals 4x plus negative 23. Okay, questions on the homework? Okay, phone alert. If these don't work for you, by the way, no papers to pass out today. Alright, if you need to come in 6th period for extra help, or you can come in to make up a test or retake a test. The objective today is patterns, functions, and algebra number 8. And our learning target for today is to find the equation of the line that is parallel or perpendicular to a given line and passes through a given point. If you want the extra... Okay, example 1. It's the same thing. Alright, walk up alert. Answer. 3. The lines are parallel. Our slope is going to be the same. Alright, for example 2, we want to find a line parallel to this line and passes through 2, negative 11. What are the two things we need to find? Our slope and our y-intercept. What is our slope? Negative 5. Find our y-intercept, we need to plug in our coordinates. We have y is equal to mx plus b. What do we plug in for y? Negative 11. Plug in negative 5 for our slope. What do we plug in for x? 2. Alright, now we need to solve this equation for b. What do we need to do?
Times negative 5 and 2.
What's that give us?
Negative 10.
Alright, what are we going to do next?
Add 10 to each side.
Alright, we add 10 to both sides. On the left, negative 11 plus 10.
Negative 1.
Give us negative 1. On the right, we have our y-intercept b. So our y-intercept is equal to negative 1. We need to put it in to y equals mx plus b. What's our final answer going to be?
y equals negative 5x plus 1.
Plus negative 1. Or not minus 1. Right. Alright, walk by alert. Go ahead and bring it up. Okay. All we need to do is plug this into y equals mx plus b. We plug in our slope, which is m. That's 4. Times x plus our y-intercept, which is negative 2. So our answer should be y equals 4x plus negative 2, or y equals 4x minus 2. Same thing. Okay, practice problem number 1. Go ahead and bring it up and drop it off. Alright, we want to find a line, the equation of the line that is parallel to this line and passes through this point. Our slope of our line is going to be the same as the line that is given to us. Why is that? It's parallel. Parallel lines have equal slopes. We want to find our slope and our y-intercept. What's our slope for our new line? 2. We look at our given line. We want to find the slope for our new line. The slopes are going to be the same because they are parallel lines. Our y-intercept. To find our y-intercept, we're going to use our point. We want to take y equals mx plus b and plug in what we know. What do we know? This line is the line we're looking for. What do we know about the y value for this line? one of the y values is given to us, right? This point passes through the line that we're looking for. So we can plug in -2 for our y value. What do we plug in for our slope? 2. What do we plug in for our x value?
6.
6, right. We get that from here. Oh, oops. Okay, now we just need to solve this equation for b. What do we do first?
Times 2 and 6, and that'd be 12.
Alright, we have -2 on the left. We multiply 2 and 6. It gives us 12 plus b.
And then minus 12 on each side.
Right. We need to subtract 12 from both sides. We want to get our b by itself.
That'd be -14.
-2 minus 12 is going to be -14. Good. So our y-intercept is going to be -14. To find the equation of the line that we're looking for, we plug our slope and our y-intercept into y equals mx plus b. So we plug in our slope. What's our slope?
2.
2. What do we find for our y-intercept?
-14.
-14. Good. So this is our final answer.
It'll say on there, but if she's on there, then it'll be 20 to 20.
Okay, answer for the bonus is -11. Okay, another phone alert. Get your phones ready if you want them. Practice problem number 2. Go ahead and bring it up and drop it off. What do we need to find? What are the two things we want to find?
Slope and the y-intercept.
The slope and the y-intercept. We want to find the line that's parallel. We need to find the slope of that line and the y-intercept of that line to plug it in. What is the slope of our new line?
-1. I mean, not negative. Oops, sorry. 1/6.
1/6, right. Slopes are going to be the same. The y-intercept.
Wait,
We need-
just bring them up.
Answer for the bonus is -15. Alright, if you want the extra credit, go ahead and Okay, example 3. We have y equals -3x minus 12. We want to find the line that's parallel to this line that has this point. What are the two things we want to find?
Slope and the y-intercept.
The slope and the y-intercept. If these lines are parallel, what's our slope going to be for our new point?
-3.
-3. Okay, what are we going to use to find our y-intercept?
Point.
Our point. Thank you, Dylan. Okay, we need to plug our point and our slope into y equals mx plus b. What do we plug in for y?
3.
Right, our y value is 3. What do we plug in for m? Somebody that's not Dylan, please.
3.
Somebody that's not Dylan.
-3.
-3, thank you. What do we plug in for x?
I'm not telling.
-2, thank you. Okay, we're going to solve this for b. -3 times -2 gives
6.
us... Oh wait, that shouldn't... Yeah, that should be... Okay, good. Yeah, 6 plus b. Alright,
6 on each side.
subtracting 6 from both sides.
-3.
3 minus 6 gives us -3, so our y-intercept is -3. What is our line? What's our final answer?
Y equals -3x plus -3.
Or -3, same thing. Yes, alright, good. Okay, walk by alert. Go ahead and bring it up. What's our answer? -7. Why is it -7?
Because it's the slope.
The lines are parallel,
Yeah,
so the slopes will be equal.
that's what I meant.
Alright, guys, tell me what we need to do.
You need to find the slope and the y-intercept.
Yeah.
The slope and the y-intercept. The slope is 6. Remember, parallel lines have equal slopes.
And we fill it in.
You fill it in with the coordinates.
Then use our points to try to get the y-intercept.
Okay, let's one step at a time. We're going to fill in y equals mx plus b with our coordinates and our slope.
Y is 8.
Okay.
M is 6. And then we plug in beside it to times it 2. And then plus b.
Plus b, alright. 6 times 2 gives us 12.
And then minus 12 on each side.
Alright, good. Thank you, Andy.
-4.
Minus 12 from each side. B is equal to -4. Are we done?
Nope, we need to write it out. That would be y equals 6x plus negative 4.
Y equals 6x plus negative 4. Right. That is our final answer. Okay, Walker. Go ahead and bring it up. Alright. It will be negative 4. Okay, problem number 3. Go ahead and bring it up. We have y equals 5x plus 5, and our point is negative 3, 6. What's our slope going to be? 5. What do we need to do to find our y-intercept?
Plug in our points.
We're plugging in our point, and we're plugging in our slope. What do we plug in for y?
6.
What do we plug in for m?
5.
X.
Negative 3.
Okay, what do we need to do next?
Times 5 and negative 3, which is negative 15.
Negative 15.
Then you add 15 to each side because it's a negative 15. And that would be, 21.
Alright, we're adding 15 to both sides to get our b by, oh boy. Sorry, that should be 15. By itself, we get 6 plus 15 gives us what?
21.
21. So what's our final answer?
Y equals 5x plus 21.
Okay. No, I already saw it. It's too
I
late.
take it
Dylan? Alright. Alright, answer for the bonus is negative 6. Okay, phone alert. Bonus problem's coming in. Or extra credit. Alright, go ahead and do the practice problem. Extra credit problem real fast. Go scan it real fast.
Do a screenshot of the homework, too.
The homework. You told me not to.
Homework tonight, that's
Yeah.
right. Oh, okay, well, I wondered why it was on photos. You have lottery tickets that need to be verified, you can bring them back here.
It's not working.
If it's not working, you're going to have to look on Facebook later.
I don't have.
Alright, you guys also have a benchmark test tomorrow.
Yeah.
So, and a regular test on Friday of everything you guys have done since the last test. Go ahead and fill your exit slips out too.
7.